Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Ashley J. Aaron and today we are at Bath & Body Works for the Christmas 2020 sneak peek. We are starting off in the Wallflower's fragrance plugs. I am showing you just a quick run through of some of the new holiday options you have to choose from. Later I will go into greater detail up close, show you what each one looks like, and then also show you its pricing. So these are not necessarily new, but I just wanted to show you guys what these ones looked like. I thought they were beautiful for all of the glam decor lovers. They're still sparkly, so it still gives you that holiday feel. Then up here you will see these are some of the new holiday for 2020. Later in the video we will go into greater detail for each one and also the pricing. This Christmas tree with the succulents in it I thought was so cute, and I don't think I go into detail about that one later. And then of course this lantern one is new, so I do go into that one. Up here you'll see some of the other ones that are Santa inspired. Those I actually pull open a drawer and I show you guys those also. Here is a shot of the holiday display of all of the 3-wick candles. They looked absolutely beautiful. The store here that I'm at today is actually a brand new store, so the lighting was just gorgeous with these candles. But also here are all of the candle holders that you will be able to choose from this year. Here is one of the candle holders you can choose from. I thought it was beautiful because it had a ton of different sparkly ornaments. I felt like it could go with actually a lot of different decor pieces, and this one was priced at $12.95. Another candle holder option was this one that is very traditional with the Christmas presents. It has a Christmas tree on it and a Christmas sleigh. This one is adorable and it sits a little bit higher. It also has a ton of glitter on it and it is priced at $15.95. I love this candle holder. It reminds me of one of my favorite Christmas decor designs, which is when people use tons of whimsical, bright, colorful, almost childlike themed decor, and this one was priced at $12.95. This candle holder, you guys, the sparkle, I had to add it to the light just so you guys could see. It was probably the most sparkly one that they had, and this one was priced at $12.95. I also loved this Santa going down the chimney candle holder. This was so cute. It kind of is like a retro, like throwback, reminds me of Christmas decor from when I was a child. I had to grab a candle to show you guys how it works. It sits up higher It is really cute. This one was obviously a lot more expensive and it was very, very heavy duty. Okay, I had to get a close-up shot of this one just so you guys could see how much glitter is actually on it. This one was so cute, but I feel like if you have kids, it might be a little bit more challenging because it is definitely breakable. I also do take the candle out and show you the price is $29.95. Okay, I lied. This is definitely the two sparkliest ones that they have to offer. Oh my god, you guys, look how cute these are. The snowman. Okay, so it's kind of like a plastic type material. It takes 2 AA batteries. I had to take the candle off so I could show you guys the price. This one was actually kind of expensive. I'm trying to see. Oh, the price was $59.95. But I feel like it was worth it. It's definitely tall, and if that's in your price range, it was really, really cute. And then they also had this blue one that could obviously match more glam decor or just, you know, blue, white. I actually had that theme for my Christmas living room last year for my decor. And this one was, I think, priced a little bit differently. But again, takes the 2 AA batteries. So let's look at the bottom and see how much this one was. This was priced at $49.95. Okay, you guys, here are the last 2 candle holders that I have to show you guys. This one was super cute with the snowflakes and the snowmen, and this one was $15.95. And the last and final candle holder is up next. It is all snowflakes with little crystals on it. This one was beautiful and could definitely take you into the new year past Christmas since it doesn't have that Christmas decor type theme. And this one was $12.95. Here are the 3-wick candles, new winter scents for 2020. I am going to give you a quick shot of what they look like, and then we will go into each one individually. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. Okay, full confession, you guys. I was so busy trying to record this for you, I actually forgot to smell these candles. So we are going to look at the fragrance notes. This is the blueberry sugar with sweet blueberries, brown sugar, and graham cracker crust. Up next is the gingerbread marshmallow with gingerbread spice, spiced rum, vanilla frosting, and brown sugar. Then you have the snowy peach berry with sweet peaches, tart cranberry, and sugared musk. Then you have the salted caramel eggnog with gooey caramel, fresh sea salt, dulce de leche, and sweet whipped cream. Okay, I forgot I actually did smell this one. This is the hot cocoa and cream. It literally smelled just like hot cocoa, you guys. It's decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. Then we have the sugared snickerdoodle with warm spices, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. I found this candle holder on the other side of the store. It was kind of separate from the other Christmas decor, but I thought, you guys, this one was probably, I think I already said it, but it's true. This one is my absolute favorite one. I don't really like the way they had it styled with the red candle because it just took away from it. So actually in a second I'm going to take the candle out so you can see it, but it kind of has like a fall or just like winter vibe. Because of the sparkle, I felt like you could definitely use it for Christmas decor, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, you could just use it as just a winter themed decor item. It was so beautiful with the gold. It's got the little bunnies on it, the fox, and the snow covered trees. This one was priced at, how much was it? $29.95. And my sister actually purchased this one when we were in the store, and I forget which candle she bought. I want to say it was the, what was it? Salted caramel eggnog. And because it was a light colored candle, it was so beautiful in this and really just let every single piece shine. Now we are headed back to the Wallflowers fragrance plugs. This is the silver Christmas tree with the pink and green jewels, priced at $14.50. This is the silver house with the Christmas tree inside. This one was priced at $24.50. This is the silver branches, rhinestones, and succulents, priced at $16.50. This one is the flower with the pearls and rhinestones in the center, and this one was priced at $12.50. Here is the iridescent angel, priced at $10.50. This one is the snowman with lamppost and presents, and it was priced at $18.50. This one is the pine tree nightlight. This one stays lit and is priced at $14.50. This is the Nutcracker plug-in. He looks like Santa. He's so cute, and he is priced at $14.50. Next up is the gold sparkly reindeer, priced at $14.50. Here is the glittery snowman. This one also stays lit 24/7, priced at $14.50. Here is the Let It Snow sled with gold lettering and detailing on the side, and this one is $16.50. This one is the Holiday Lantern Nightlight, priced at $16.50. This one is a dark metallic lantern, and this one is priced at $16.50. This one is a wooden tree with succulents, and this one was priced at $16.50 also. If you are doing traditional Christmas decor this year, you absolutely need this one. This is the Santa's Workshop with the Christmas tree inside and the toys. This one is priced at $32.50. This one is the super sparkly and reminds me of Santa's belt, and this one was priced at $12.50. This is the red metallic Merry and Bright, and this one was priced at $10.50. This is called the Winter Lantern Scene, and this one is priced at $18.50. Last but not least is Santa in Chimney, priced at $16.50. I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas sneak peek at Bath & Body Works. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and if you guys are into Christmas decor and cleaning videos, I would love for you guys to stick around. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!